Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment about this video. So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is part 1 of 6 videos. My husband and I went to Virginia and worked on the building for 6 days, and this is what we got done. So nothing can be done to the building until all the debris is taken out of the building. So the first floor has most of the items, and the basement also has quite a few things that have to be removed. We will be separating the things we want to keep and trashing and throwing away the things we do not want to keep. My husband dismantled a cabinet that was in one of the display cases, and that cabinet was used for the sound and lighting system, and we are going to be storing things in that area. You will see inside that storage area, and also you'll be seeing the ceiling. There are some tin lights in the ceiling, and we're going to share that in the video, so look for that while you're watching. I'm also going to be sharing 3 pictures I found in the building. They are very interesting, and you got to watch to see who they are. One of them is a famous person, and I think you're going to know who that is. So stay tuned. Also, you will be seeing, as my husband is dismantling the stage, there were windows as a part of the stage, and he is dismantling them. And you will also see some material that we found and some other really nice antiques that we found that are very interesting. So I can't wait till you see them. I hope that you're going to watch till the end of the video. What you're going to see at the end of the video are the original 10 ceilings, and I hope to restore them and put them back in the ceiling. So I hope that you enjoyed this part 1 and that you will come back and watch all the videos. Make it a fabulous day, and again, like, subscribe, and share my videos. I really appreciate it. We're out here working on the building today. It is a big job. Let me show you. So as you can see on the outside of the building, it has 2 display cases and this center display case, and then you walk into the building. So behind these display cases is where the fabric was, the bolts of fabric. And then behind this side, there were some other things in there, some lighting equipment, some sound equipment. Went into the storage area here. This is where I have bolts of fabric. It's filled with fabric. As you can see, I have taken some out. have a lot here. Some things we're packing, taking with us. We found this very interesting picture. Let me show you, of Moses Malone. You might know him. And we also found this picture of Mahalia Jackson. Another picture I found in the building, famous Virginians and their educators. The bucket of clothes I found. Here's an old phone, some tickets, a drill, a light, a picture. I found this old milk jug from Petersburg, Virginia. And let's see what else I found today. I found these little umbrellas. Let me show you. Oh, 1 second. I found these. They have a long stick on them. Probably used for some production, I'm sure. I'm trying to look at some of the stuff I want to keep. I've cleared this area a little bit. We've piled some more of those costumes there. Warren's taken down part of the stage. Warren cleaned out this back area, which was piled with costumes, and it goes around into the back of the stage. This is part of the stage and back behind the stage. You can't see that very clearly, but we are working to get all that taken down, and hopefully we'll work a couple more hours. Cleaned out some of the stuff that was under here on the floor, and lots of papers. Another boat of fabric. Behind the windows. This is the area behind the windows on one side. Where we're going to store some items while we work on the inside. This is a phone we found, which is a payphone. Is the door going out. They had a little window here so that you could see just where the control unit was, the sound, the lights for productions.